Are you as sick and tired as I am of the usual make money online stuff? You know, it's the same thing over and over again, where it's drive traffic or, you know, show how to do launch tracking or whatever it is. You know, it's all the usual crap that's the same thing over and over and over again. How about something completely different where you can make money in a completely different niche, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's all coming up in my review of the premium leatherworking package. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. The bagels I bought the other day. I know I keep talking about bagels. I like bagels. I'm a New Yorker, okay? It's a thing here. We like our bagels. And when it gets stale bagels, it's a crime. I'm sorry, but it is, you know, I mean, if you can't walk into a restaurant without showing your COVID vaccine, then certainly it should be a crime at the very least to sell stale bagels. I'm sorry, but there's just certain standards that should be adhered to. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Okay, seriously, Bart, you know, I'm getting really tired of that. All right, this is good stuff, and it's something completely different. Okay, so pay attention. Maybe you learned something. Anyway, if you are new to the way things work, if I like about it, I will give a tip in my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Who can get angry at her? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you left this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the premium leatherworking package. Now, this is something I really like. Not because I'm particularly interested in leatherworking. Uh, I wear leather belts and I have a leather wallet, leather jacket, but I don't really know much about leatherworking. I don't really care that much about leatherworking. But what I like is when you get into a completely different market, okay, something where you can actually sell a product that people will be interested in, and it's a real product, and it's nothing to do with the usual make money online stuff. Okay, this is a very hot niche that actually makes a ton of money for a lot of people, but it's not something that's super saturated with tons and tons and tons of other websites desperately trying to reach out and, you know, do this. That's why I really like it. Now, I want to tell you about my custom bows because I do have the best custom bows you'll ever see for this product, as I always do. Those who are regulars on the channel know already by now, I always put out really high quality bonuses, and this one I'm particularly excited about. So first and foremost, the first bonus you're going to get from me is PLR to my course on membership sites. Now, this is a course I put together for my high ticket six-figure coach customers. You're going to get completely for free with full PLR. You get to give it away, sell it, use it as a bonus. But I've also added two other things that are really going to make this pop. So you see, basically the premium leatherworking is going to come with text material that you can repurpose as PLR. So what I've done for you, and this is something truly extraordinary, I'm going to show you how to take that text material and turn it into a membership site. Not only am I going to show you how to turn it into a membership site, I'm also going to show you how to turn it into videos without you ever having to do any of the work. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get completely free voiceovers done, but like they sound like nice professional with human sounding voices and everything. It's all automated for you, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it into videos with completely free software. You literally do not have to do any of the work. Okay, everything is going to be completely automated for you. And it takes you a couple minutes to do it. You load it up using the membership stuff that I show you, or you can sell it just as a package with videos. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do everything completely, totally for free. All right, and it takes you a few minutes to do. And this is not free, by the way, where I tell you it's free, but then you got to go and buy PowerPoint for $200. When I say free, I literally mean free. Like you can download everything completely for free. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. That's it. All right. And, Windows, Mac, Linux is free also. So, whatever. Um, so yeah, so it's this, when I say it's free, I really do mean it's completely free. You'll be able to do everything completely for free. So let's go and check out the members area real quick over here, because I want to show you the members area. See here, everything is really nicely done for you. You get to download the whole thing. You also, there's a video upgrade. You won't necessarily need the video upgrade. I would recommend getting the website upgrade, because they'll give you a premium website that you can go ahead and use to sell your new content. The video upgrade is nice to have, don't get me wrong, and it's probably going to look better than what I'm going to show you how to do, just because of the fact that they put a lot more into it. But the fact of the matter is that I'm going to show you how to turn this stuff into videos as part of my bonus. So, and there's only the 2 upgrades. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give the Tip Mats product credit or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, use of my hat. I really love when you can do something that's a different type of product, that's not the usual stuff. Because, well, frankly, it's totally different. It's not the usual stuff. It's not super saturated. And that's what I really love about this. So go ahead and grab this one. This one I really think is going to do a lot of good for you.